Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pub style effect on FilmoraGo apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. This one. Click on it, and then in here you just click on a feature. And swipe down until you can see pub style, this one. Click on it and then click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add a pub style effect on a FilmoraGo apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.